At the beginning of 2023, I reserved a spot at a campground. But to our horror, when we arrived, we found the campground closed for the season. To make things worse, I could not find my reservation email. Luckily, after 30 minutes of sure panic, we found a campsite at Hickory State Resort Park. Interestingly, this is the only campground and or state park that I've been to where the office was open until 11 p.m. Now, thinking back, I must have booked the original campsite during the wrong month and just did not catch it.
Everybody come in! Everybody come in! Everybody come in!
Well, we gotta go pay.
After getting our tent set up and paying for our stay, we went to Food Line for a pumpkin and then had dinner at a nearby gas station. Next was a fun-filled morning, and by fun-filled, I mean a 55-degree morning spent making sandwiches and taking multiple trips to the bathhouse with crying children. After this, we finally made our way to the resort's breakfast room. Yes, you heard me correctly. Hickory State Resort Park is unlike many other state parks. This state park offers much more. Besides camping, while here you can stay at the park suites, bungalows, or even a historic, possibly haunted cabin. In addition, while visiting, you can get married at their giant red barn, get together with a group behind the pool for some games, and of course, enjoy the 18-hole Champion Golf Course. This park even offers $50 golf lessons, archery, skeet shooting, and has a clubhouse that hosts scheduled events. After our buffet breakfast, we spent time at the gift shop before heading down Tackle Shop Road for our first activity. Is it yummy, Carl? Yum. Spicy. We're number 3. Oof.
Stop that, push this horse in the lake.
Oh, yeah.
Why is he behind me?
Oh, no. Might be a ferret, Carl.
Well.
Yeah, I know. I just never seen a black skunk.
Well.
I can't see it now. Well, you know, the girl skunk doesn't have a white on its tail. I wouldn't drink that water. You'll get dysentery.
Why?
Who is that, Millard? All right, we got both kids leaning, huh? They're not on opposite sides.
Come on, get in the boat.
No. We're not putting rocks in the car.
Shoot me. I need them.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, you're driving the bus. Oh. Oh no! such a big boy.
Got the apple.
That's a 6. 3.
Hey, what are you doing?
Look, watch this one.
You know, I'm missing a finger.
Gonna go like this. You're gonna go around in a circle, but you don't take it all the way out. See? You don't take it all the way out. You leave it in the pumpkin, okay? But you gotta get a keep it in the pumpkin. You gotta do a circle here after you can get your hand in there, okay? I dropped you.
Aren't you getting ready for Halloween thing?
Yep. Yeah, I dropped the... You wanna try? All right, here, grab the stick. Do like that.
I can't.
Just short movements up and down.
I'm a cat.
Ready.
Look at that.
Whoa.
What's
See those
that?
seeds?
Pony.
Look at all those
Coin.
seeds.
Little seeds. So now you get to go scrape
Have you ever had
Oh, I don't want to.
those seeds and pull them
it
out?
all out. Get it
Pull them out, pull them out.
Oh, no. I hate that.
Okay,
You
we'll
don't
do
want, so you've cleaned a pumpkin before, Miller?
No.
pictures to prove it.
Yeah. Go put it back in front of the fireplace because it's pretty right there. No, put it on the ground, son.
It's a bucket. Why it won't hang?
Because it's not for hanging. I see you, Carl. Are you pooping?
No.
Yay, that looks really good.
He's Fox, and then she's like.
All right. After attending the jack-o'-lantern carving event at the clubhouse, we drove to town and back so that our kids could get a good nap in before our next adventure.
Mommy, how dare you didn't let me go to a beach?
Well, we couldn't go across there because y'all kept rocking the boat. Come here. Hold it. Right. Now look, come here. I'm going to show you. Carl, don't touch him, don't touch him. He'll fin you, he'll fin you. Put him back in the water so he'll live.
It's dying.
He is dying right now because he can't breathe. Is this a good one?
No.
No.
So,
Is this a good one?
no.
No. Is this a good one?
No.
No. You gonna pick out one?
Uh,
You don't want me to have a worm on my hook.
No, you do it, Millard. You tell me which one you want Daddy to use. Let's see. This is the light.
These are either raccoon or possum. And I think it's raccoon. Wow! Millard! Millard! Hold the string, Millard.
Hey, look at this feather. Look at it.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh,
no,
yeah.
hold it like this.
There we go.
I'm-
Pop.
Oh,
I'm proud of you, Millard. Whoa! Alright. Give me a good one, Millard.
Yeah.
Oh, that does look good. Thank you. Alright, put the lid on good. I got a bite, Millard.
You smell it move?
I felt it.
Oh,
That's
no.
Carl's fish. Alright, Carl, bring him. Oh, I about fell in the mud. Carl,
Carl. Carl, come here. Hold him up.
that's your fish, Carl. You
You
reeled that fish in. Yay, Carl. Yay.
Hold it fast, fast.
The longer you take, the more chance it is it'll come off the hook. Carl, stop. That's nice. That's nice.
Oh.
Oh, he got off.
Oh,
He got off the hook.
my fish.
That's okay. That's okay. Let me see. Let me see this worm. We're gonna.
Yo, 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 yo,
Oh, you
yo.
want me to show you how to put them on the hook?
Yeah.
And then you can put the other half back in the box.
Is that his face?
I don't know. All right, look.
Is that his face?
No, I think you got his butt. Put it in the container. Okay, you got the face. Put the face back there.
That's a whole lot better. Don't hurt it. Well, it's too late, Carl. I'm sorry. You're such a good boy, Carl. Tell the fish bye. Tell the fish bye.
Bye-bye. 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 Oh, no, the walk.
Yay, that was fun.
Funny.
Oh, that one, they're just getting littler and littler. Careful, Carl. Yay, Miller. Don't touch it. Carl, what are you doing?
It's in the way to go. For you the fun. Carl, you don't know how
Let me
to
see.
fish. Carl don't know how to fish.
He does too. He's waiting on his fish to bite. After fishing, we cleaned up and drove 26 miles to Hamilton Branch State Park. Besides fishing, this annual event is truly the reason we came to the area this time of year. Whee! Is it fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Look, Carl, put your head right here, Carl.
Carl, Billard.
Put your head in the bucket.
Ooh, say thank you.
Actually, 2 more campers in that video. Yeah. She actually walked up here and said, tell them to come.
Come here. Ah.
Where do you go like a rocket?
Billard, wait. Say yes, ma'am. You're a scarecrow. Scarecrows come out, Katie. Oh, it's a frog skeleton.
I get him fish in the hot boy. Look at that bird.
50. Say thank you, Miller.
Hey, what'd you do? What did you do? He's been quiet the whole time. What did you do?
Watch out for Bucky's. Watch out! Oh, I can't watch. Say thank you. You need my help? I don't think it's done yet. Hey, you're supposed to put it on here. I don't want it. Ooh. Keep on moving. Ah! Oh. Oh. Something might jump out. It's okay. Ah! Going around. Ah! It's okay. All right. Ah! Yay, Millard, you did it.
Good job.
That's more help, I think. I got it for you. After a night of eating candy and Huddle House, we woke up for our last day here. After breakfast and taking down our campsite, we went on our last adventure at Hickory Knob State Resort Park before heading home. Willard, sit down before you fall. It's okay, we got more. Sit down. We got more.
Here, eat that one.
No.
I'll get you another one, Carl.
Carl, get over there with your brother.
Wait, it is.
That's a sweet gum ball. Check out this trail. It's a bike trail and a hiking trail. Would you ride your bike on this trail?
Yeah, but you just put like the kitchen and no. Okay. Are we on?
How you gonna get over that ditch? You better jump. You ready? Watch Mama. 1, 2, 3. Your turn.
1, 2, 3.
Jump. Yay! Oh, okay.
How are we going to get up
Going
there?
straight, honey.
Please let go. This,
Yeah,
let go. Let go.
it's the stuff. It's the sap. Why?
Because it was the walks. It was the walk. Yeah. You don't know how to balance.
I do too.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh, Carl.
I was trying to let go of Millie so I could Watch here, it gets narrow. You see any white paint on any trees?
Yeah.
Alright, so that means keep going this way. Look for the next tree. That way you know you're going in the right direction. Look for another tree.
Good.
You see another trail marker?
I love it.
You're such a brave boy. Come on.
To go around this tree. Come on. Go this way. Go around. At least you've got the shoes. Hey, Daddy, find the trail.
All right.
Look, Mommy, a Fido.
Ooh. Ooh, I like that. The Gully Brew House was built in 1770 in the Huguenot settlement of the New Boundary. It was relocated to the present site in 1983.
There's a haunted house in there. That's how you can watch from us. It's separated. Is that right? And that's a haunted house. Is that right?
Look at that.
250 years old, man.
Let me see. Mommy, I gotta get the password. Open that. You got walls on them.
Mm-hmm.
Look, we're gonna get in the hot sun.
Slow down on your drive to the parking lot and take a look at the sign and stop by the office to get more information on this historical cabin. Some locals say it's haunted.
Oh, we did stop and have a candy bar at a haunted house.
This is
Find me! Carl! He doesn't know where I am. Oh, there he found me! Oh,
This one is
is it
broken.
Pokey?
Yep.
Oh, what is it? I don't know.
It's berry.
I don't know what kind. They squishy though. They don't seem like holly tree. Maybe they are holly tree berries. There's a holly tree.
it looks like seeds.
What eats seeds that has poop that big? Hair. I hope you enjoyed this video and it makes you want to travel and spend time at South Carolina's state parks. If you enjoyed it, please like it, and as always, thanks for watching.